Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to share your Facebook story on Instagram automatic. This is very quick and easy. Let's jump right in. First of all, what you need to do, open your Facebook and tap on your setting icon. Open your Facebook and go to your Facebook setting. Now go to scroll down and click on privacy. Now click on settings. After that, here you can see option stories. Click on this stories icon. On here you can see, story privacy. Click on this story privacy button. Here you can see click on this story privacy. Now here you can see option always share on Instagram. Here you can see enable this icon. Here you can see always share on Instagram. Click on this and enable this icon. Enable this icon. Here you can see, in this way you can easily share your Facebook story on Instagram automatically. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.